Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to change your board's background in Trello web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Trello website and then just connect with your Trello account. And if you don't already have one, just connect with your Google, Facebook or Apple accounts, and then you will need just to follow the simple steps. And basically the first thing or the first step that we are doing is to go to any board where we want to change its background, and to do so we will need to click on this board's menu here in this navigation tab and choose the board that we want. So basically I'll go for this board, and now to change its background all you need to do is to go to this 3 points button here in the corner and we click on it, and basically you will find the second option is to change the background of your board. You click on background, and here we will find three choices. Either you will have a uh, custom picture, or you will have these photos that are uploaded from Unsplash by Trello. So you just choose any, let's go back. So you choose any picture that you want or any background, or you will have some unique colors. Those are some gradients, and those are the unique colors here. So basically you can have a gradient color, or you can have a unique color like this to your background. And of course you can upload your own backgrounds from your website, I mean your desktop here. And this one is like that because the size of my picture is too small, so you need to have like a bigger size or a bigger picture so it can fit here. And of course you can do whatever you want with the picture, and you can choose any picture that you want for your background. So basically this is how you can change the background of your boards in Trello web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.